guys, delivery day, 986 Game King behind me, new model for us. Black oak lights, Simrad, twin 400 joysticks for Mercury. We have a 15 horse kicker with Garmin Reactor 40. We have air conditioning, we have diesel heat. This thing is really tricked out. All the comforts of home in a home away from homes. So we're not perfect. We forgot the lamp. We have an impact.
Yep, you've got one. You want a second one?
No.
Who knows yet?
If I need two, we're in big trouble. We're in big trouble. If I give you coordinates, you know how to get there, right?
Scott. Or sale, not on sale.
Questionable.
Rescue
You're saying
boat.
this one's mine,
Yeah, this drive's yours.
even though these numbers don't match.
It was a repo boat, sir.
So we're gonna go for a boat ride. We're running Cleveland to Geneva. It's overcast, but it's reasonably warm. It should be reasonably smooth out on the water. So we're leaving Parma Marine on our way to the water. Let's go. Yeah, maybe.
It's low over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. 13.7.
Okay, I thought it was 13 too.
Boom!
Well, what's up, dude?
What's going on, Matt?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you, man.
Oh yeah. Still looks big out here.
Yes, it does, dude.
All right, guys. Edgewater here with Matt Messanger, owner of what? High Limits.
High limit.
High Limits. We're aboard High Limits. So, Wild Bill, Matt Messanger. Capture. Well, maybe retain it.
Full plugs are in.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent.
Everything's all in tight.
Stay tuned. Let's go for a boat ride.
They sound like they want to dance.
So far so good, man. Excited. The sun was peeking out a little bit ago. I think we got some overcast skies the rest of the way, but the lake it's actually really nice. We're gonna probably go about a mile offshore and rip it towards Geneva. Back 986. We've been what 30 minutes out. We are rolling 40.5 miles an hour. We are averaging what 1.2 miles per gallon almost here, 1.18. So incredible. We got the gyros spooled up, gyros off. We're at speed. We don't need that, but we are relying on Seakeeper Ride. Seakeeper Ride 600. It's the best attitude trip tab control anywhere out there. We love them. Standard in all extreme boats here in the United States. Seakeeper Ride, what's your impression, Matt?
It's incredible. This boat is an absolute weapon. It's a monster. Basically point and shoot. This is the easiest boat I've ever driven in my whole life. It's almost not fun because it's too easy.
Good one.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Look at that.
All right, guys. So we just had 10-degree pitch and roll angle down to 1, maybe 2. So we're sitting directly broadside, right outside the Perry power plant. I mean, 2 to 3 foot, just nice, easy, no break here, just nice swells. So Seakeeper gyro is where it's at, man. If you're gonna fish, it's all the difference in the world. We'll see you in Geneva State Park. Alright guys, quick 50-minute boat ride. We hung out on the water a little bit. We dialed in our kicker. We dialed in our Garmin Reactor 40. Garmin Reactor 40 kicker pilot. Even with a big boat like this in the 15, we were holding ourselves, you know, within a degree of where we wanted to be. We're coming in. So high limits is over here, A-Dock, Geneva State Park.
Thinking about docking this boat.
I feel like a pro already.
With the audience.
Just shut it off before I come into the dock. Oh, man.
Looking good.
What's up?
Yeah, that's man. What's up, dude?
Good, dude.
What's up there, Steve?
How'd it run, man?
Awesome.
Good.
What's up, man?
Nice.
Good, dude. Awesome, man.
Reactor 40, this is the wire that senses the RPM. So one thing that wasn't working was it wasn't seeing RPM, so it was not able to adjust speed, but we'll get it dialed in. Hey guys, Joel Morrison signing off. Extreme Boats Distributing. Again, we're aboard High Limits Sport Fishing. Matt Messanger out of Geneva, Ohio. You're looking for a walleye guy, this is your guy. What's your first impressions?
It was honestly amazing, man. The boat met all expectations. The 400 V10 Mercs, the 15 Pro Kicker, Seakeeper Ride, Seakeeper Gyro. Checking all the boxes here with the Extreme 986.
So this thing is truly tricked out. If you want to go for a boat ride, give me a call. We'll get you on the water. Extreme Boats Distributing.